guys, what's up? And today I'm playing Roblox Granny with Ruby Gamer or Games, and yeah, she's not using her Robux now, she's saving it because there's something she really wants to buy, and she's recording too. This is what she looks like. Let's go up here.
Okay.
Ah! Oh my god. Oh, Granny. I have 7. This is what I look like. So guys, I got Robux yesterday. Guys, check out my silver package plus review. I was gonna get she's like nope, I'm gone. Are you a Granny? Wins. Nope, still 7 wins. Or am I gonna be the Granny? That's it. Oh, by the way, guys, I'm talking to Ruby on my Xbox. That's why I'm really talking, and I'm not talking to you guys. It's because I'm talking to Ruby on Xbox. Oh, 8 wins. I'll try link Ruby's channel down below. Yeah. No, can you just link my YouTube channel?
Okay.
No, actually put my Xbox account down below and I'll link everything that you need.
Okay.
So guys, in this game basically there's one Granny and you have to try escape her and try to get lots of wins. You can be the Granny. I'm up the top. Oh man. But don't play the actual Granny game. Because it's like, guys, same with yours. Ruby, do you know what we can do if Granny comes up here? Ruby, do you know what we can do when Granny comes up? Just jump off the banister. Granny's first kill. Guys, everyone goes up to 6. Add Ruby. Guys, on Roblox, her name is capital M, Melly, capital P, please, capital A. Granny's coming up. We're in the middle of it. Hello.
Yeah, yeah.
Why?
Just in case.
Okay. Yeah? To get McKenna slime stuff. Sorry about that, guys. I've talked to my van. So yeah, me and Ruby, then I were just camping in this tree.
Yeah, so,
Oh well. I don't care. Yeah. Yep, 9 wins. I just started playing this granny game yesterday.
I stopped playing today.
I know. Yep.
And guys, I might be let me see.
Yeah, guys, I love doing this parkour. Same guy.
Ready?
10 wins. Yes. I lost connection in the server. Okay, hold on, guys. Right, I'm just joining back, guys. Right. Yeah. Yeah, guys, I'll be back after this round's done. There's 19 seconds left of the game, guys, and I think Ruby's gonna get her 10th win. And we'll both be at 6. I've got my 10th win. Well done. That's Ruby's 10th win. Ruby. That's Ruby. Ada. So yeah, guys. So guys. Choosing the map. Ruby, behind you. Where do you want to go? Follow me. Okay. No, it's a tree. Where? Here. Oh, Granny's alive. Oh, Granny died. 11 wins. Guys, me and Ruby have 11 wins. Ruby, we have 11 wins.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's pick it up. Oh. I wonder who's going to be the granny this time. I've never been granny. Oh, am I? Same person! Wait. Okay, can't find you. Ruby! Ruby! Where the heck are you? Ruby! Oh god, my mic's connecting. Hold on, guys. I'll be back more in a sec. No, I can't. I died because
So guys, come to the one in my game. It's so late.
oh! Right, guys. I'll be back once Ruby's match is finished. So, guys, Ruby.
So,
Guys, Ruby officially has her 12th win.
I think
Yeah. Bitch, move it! Isn't that amazing? I don't like graveyard. Ruby, come on. Where are you? No, not in that bush. I've lost you. I've lost you. Flash. Maybe. I'm gonna put flashlights off in the chat. Right. Okay, guys, that's it. That's it for my video today. Make sure to comment and subscribe. I'll do a part 2. And yeah, bye guys.